Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, kindly subscribe. Please like, share and don't forget to leave a comment in the comments section.
Today I'm going to teach you how to make cantaloupe and raspberry smoothie. Ingredients needed: 1. 4 cups of cantaloupe peeled. 2. 3 cups of raspberry. 3. 1/4 cup of honey. 4. 1 cup of milk. 5. 1/4 cup of plain yogurt. 6. 1/4 cup of buttermilk. 7. 2 tablespoons of pine nuts.
How to prepare. 1. Stir the honey into the raspberries. Cover and refrigerate for 1 hour. Put the berries in a food processor and then pass them through a fine mesh sieve. Discard the solids. 2. Place the puree in a large bowl and stir in the milk, yogurt, buttermilk, and cantaloupe pieces and refrigerate until chilled. 3. When ready to serve, put 2 cups of the mixture in a blender and liquefy. 4. Pour into a pitcher. Repeat, adding the pine nuts to the blender with the last batch of the fruit mixture. 5. Stir the smoothie before serving.